only way this is gonna happen is if I drink my coffee, because I'm gonna need this caffeine to try to make this happen in less than 60 seconds. But if you want to learn how to code using Swift 5, making these iPhone apps, then keep on looking, because I got some coolness. We're gonna try to make that Netflix side scroll in less than 60 seconds. You know that scroll where you scroll through the movies and scroll the phone sideways? We're gonna do that in less than 60 seconds. So keep on watching. So we're gonna jump right in and create a new project. So go to Single View app, hit next, call this Inflix. That's it. Just really quick, trying to get through this for you as fast as I can. Alright, so I'm gonna cancel this and open this up. Alright, so go to your main storyboard, drag out your collection view. Alright, pop it on the screen. We're gonna go up here, we're gonna set this some constraints. So we're going to set it to 100, we're going to set 20 on each end, and then we're going to set the height to 200. Alright, now we have our constraints. Let's drag out the cell. Boom. Get it about right there. Alright? And then we're going to click on the collection view and then come in here. Where is it at? Hit a horizontal. Alright, so it's going to be horizontal. So we're good there. Now what we need to do is come in here and go File, New. We're going to create a new cell. Alright, so come in here and just call this main cell. Alright, we got the main cell, which is going to hold our image view. So let's bring that out like that. Let's come in here. We are going to open this up, find our main cell. Alright, we got our main cell. Now we need to get on the cell, set the reuse identifier to cell. Boom. Alright, and then come in here and we're going to set this to main cell. Alright, we're good there. Now click on your image view. Actually, you know what? You can't because you didn't drag it out yet. You need to drag out an image view right into the cell. Boom. Alright, we got that there. Just kind of get it in there. Drag it out. Alright, perfect. Now right click, drag, set your outlet. We're going to call this movie cover. That's going to be an image view. That's what's going to hold our image. Alright, so get back into your storyboard. Let's come here and go to View Controller, and we need to drag out our collection view. So we're going to do that. We're going to make an outlet right here. We'll call this collection view. Did I spell that right? Yeah. Oh, we're still in the car, so I'm kind of bouncing on our way to California right now. So let's copy this. We're going to go UI collection view. We're going to go delegate, and then we're going to go UI collection view data source. We need to conform to that, and it's going to tell us right here. So just click this and hit fix. Alright, and then what we're going to do is jump down right here, boom, boom, create a variable for the movie covers. I'm going to call it movie covers, and it's going to be empty. It's going to hold a UI image. Alright, let's fix that. Alright, so right here we're going to return self.moviecovers.count, alright? And then in here, we're going to create our cell, so we're going to say let cell equals collection view.dequeue, and then we're going to say cell right here. That's that reuse identifier that we use. Alright, we're going to say index path, and then we're going to call this as a main cell, as our main cell. We're going to return our cell. Alright, so we're good there. Now, if you did load, open this up, we're going to say collection view dot data source equals self collection view dot delegate, and we're going to say that equals self. Alright, jump down, and we're going to run a loop through the images. But you know what? First, we need to create a folder to even add the images in. So let's go right here. Let's say new group. I'm going to call this images. Alright, we're going to get the images. We're going to go to file. We're going to go to add files. Boom, boom. Alright, right, let's see where that's at. It's in my documents under images. Grab it. So what I did right here was I named the images image 0 all the way down to image 44. So we're gonna grab that. I'm gonna have to get images that look like Netflix. So what I'm gonna do is I'm coming in here. See if I can turn it. Boom. I'm gonna come in here and I'm just gonna start cropping out these images. Add that into the project. Then we're gonna loop through that. So we're gonna say for image in 0.44 is gonna include 44. And we're gonna say let movie cover equals UI image, and it's gonna be named image backslash. This is where we're gonna put that number from the loop. So we're going to say image, and then we're going to .jpeg. Alright, and then now that we have our image, we got to add that into our array. So we're going to go self.moviecovers.append. We're going to append in the image right there. Alright, now let's see what's going on right here. Boom, that's perfect. Actually, you know what? We're going to append in movie cover. That was a typo. Unwrap that, and we should be good. So let's come up here, and we're going to say cell.moviecover.image equals self.moviecovers index path.row. That should do it, and then all I want to do is set the backgrounds, and we should be done. Alright, so go to collection view, come down to white, hit black, and then go to the view, in 10 miles, down, hit black. Alright, perfect. Now everything should be good. Just double check it. We have our count. Boom, 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 boom. Come through, boom, boom. Self.moviecovers.append. Alright, everything should be good. Let's run it. Let's see what happens. Alright, there it is. There we go. Boom. There's your. Alright, so we just ripped off the functionality from Netflix. There we go. So I hope y'all like this. Look guys, if this video was helpful to you in any way, just share it. Share it so that somebody else can discover it, and it can help them. And also, if you have any questions, just leave a comment below.